Hi everyone, I am Ubuki Single and today we will roast my haters back. Easy.
Way too formal, y'all know where I'm from. Stacy Dash, most ladies cause they got a clue.
If you didn't know, people with no fathers is less. Look how much. Okay, let's watch it.
I swear these YouTube Shorts creators are not any better than TikTok.
Appreciate your input, sir.
Okay, I like the montage, but I don't like the vids. Oh, it's my video.
You slapped me for $100 million?
No.
Like
Come on, how bad can it possibly be? How bad can I be? I'm just building the economy.
and subscribe if you don't.
Surely everyone would take the 100 million, right?
I will slap you.
I don't want to.
This
I
is
feel
my
bad.
fans.
I won't. Money won't buy happiness.
I do it for free.
My sister Rebo Ted Papi passed away. Like and subscribe if you miss her. Comment sad emojis if you love Poppy.
I'm so sad. Poppy died.
Free Robux on my channel.
April Fools.
Oh, she's alive.
Me when I post an April Fool's joke on the 3rd of April about my sister passing away and leaving a scam link in a pinned comment. Truly a clown shout classic.
Touch the water if you hate clown show. Me
I don't hate clown show.
like and subscribe if you like clown show.
Oh, I will.
The water.
Do not like this video. I'll be right back.
Why did you dislike it? Why did you dislike it? Why did you dislike it?
Fox 2023.
Oh, cute.
Starting today, our company is now Meta.
Roblox 2020. Roblox 2017.
This is cringe.
You've got thousands of
You know, Roblox in 2017 is cringe. Roblox 2022 is good. It's hot.
Como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki 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 taca taca ta teque teque 9 ratatatata y me fui.
Turning into the person who ruined my life. She killed my kitten. Turning into the person who ruined my life. She promoted gambling to children.
I will recreate this. Look.